Hello everyone, my name is Karanjot Singh and in today's video we are going to talk about the dangerous effects of smoke and pollution in our daily lives. We all know smoke is a great threat for our human beings as well as natural organisms like animals, and it is also killing animals like a great rate, and the carbon inside the air or polluted air is very dangerous for any living organism, and this leads to greenhouse effects. We all know carbon is a greenhouse gas, so it leads to greenhouse effect which melt the ice in the glaciers, and which is not a good thing for us in any way. And another main topic of this video is the burning of haystack. Farmers are burning haystacks like crazy and creating a lot of smoke, which is a lot is which is you can understand from this. And the air in Delhi is now not at a breathable level with just burning of these haystacks. And another great example of air pollution is from acid rain. We all seen the acid rain happened in Agra, and the acid rain turned the color of Taj Mahal to yellow from white. And another very main reason for this is everyone is now using cars and motorcycles, and they are just throwing out carbon like crazy, and it is also leading to hundreds of diseases, and one of which is asthma, very common disease. And everyone it is 10% in Delhi, so that means that every one person out of 10 must be asthma patient. And in this video we are going to teach you how you can make an air pollution controller, which you can implement at bigger levels to stop the pollution. So as you can see now, so this is our air purifier or air pollution controller, and we have this mechanism. So this is our fan and this is our fan. So this is for intake of air. The polluted air will come from this side and this fan sucks it out, and then this fan blows this air into this chamber, and from here airs get collected right here. And here we have 3 carbon filters right here. These are the 3 carbon filters, and this is connected to wires, and from here we get fresh air, because this thing right here, this carbon filter, sucks out all the carbon particles inside the air. And now this is how our experiment works. So as you can see right here, we have this air pollution controller, and let me just turn this on. So now our air pollution controller is sucking polluted air from these 2 vents. And this thing has 2 fans. One is right here and one is right here. The fan which is at this place, this sucks out air, and this fan right here, this blows out carbon air or polluted air into our carbon filter. And our carbon filter has 3 carbon filters inside this, and one is right here, one is right here, and one is right here. So there are total 3 carbon filters right inside our carbon filter. And when this fan sucks out air and this fan blows out air into this, the carbon particles inside the polluted air gets removed right here, and this our carbon filter gives us pure air which is breathable for humans. So as you can see now, the smoke or polluted air now come into this chamber, and this has 3 carbon filters installed. One is it in the front right here, as you can see. Let me just point my finger out there, and 2 are inside this. And so we can't show the pure air, so we just added a transition here. But this thing has 3 filters, and this here, this thing passes the polluted air right this, and this will pure this out and give us fresh air. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you would enjoy this. So peace.